Hello everyone. Uh, Welcome to CS Study Bytes. So today we will see how to install Hadoop on Windows. To install Hadoop on Windows, there is some requirement of some softwares. So we need these four softwares. First one is we need JRE. Next is we need Java 8. Then we need 7-zip, and then we need Hadoop software. So first let's copy this link, Control C, and paste it here. Okay, so here download Java for desktop. So click on this and it will get downloaded. So I have already downloaded it, and it will be downloaded like JRE8U441. Okay, next, so this was the first step. Next is second step. We need to download Java 8. Control C, copy on this link. Okay, Control V, paste this link. Okay, here we need to download Java 8 only. So here you can find Java 23, Java 21, but we need to go down. Okay, then go down again. So here Java 8, click on Java 8, and here x64 installer. So here is the link. Okay, click on this link and it will get downloaded. Okay, now download this. Okay, so you may need to here to sign up for Oracle. Okay, after signing up, so this will get downloaded. Okay, so this was our second uh, step number second. Then step number third, we need to install 7-zip. Okay, copy this link, paste it here. Okay, so here we need to click on this download, so it will download a 7-zip installer for Windows. Okay, so this is step number 4. Next is step number 5. Okay, copy this link, Control C, go here, copy this link, and here you can find, yes, okay, here is the link. Just click on this link and it will get downloaded. So I have already downloaded it here. So Hadoop 3.2.4.tar.gz. So like this will be downloaded. Okay, so these are the four softwares that we need to download. Okay, now what is the second next step? Next step is go to downloads folder, and install all these. First you need to install JRE, then download JDK, and then download install 7-zip. And here then we have downloaded this Hadoop 3.2.4.tar. Okay, I will first delete this. Okay, so yes, okay, we need to right click here, and here you can find, after installing 7-zip, you can find the 7-zip, and here we need to extract to Hadoop 3.2.4.tar. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, because uh, this is getting, I have already unzipped this. Okay, so I will show you how to okay, so I have already unzipped this. Okay, so here after unzipping, it will give as folder Hadoop 3.2.4.tar. Just open this, and again there's Hadoop 3.2.4. Just click on this and right click and 7-zip and extract to Hadoop 3.2.4, and after extracting you will find this folder Hadoop 3.2.4. Okay, next is we need to copy this folder Hadoop 3.2.4. Just Control C, and now go to your C drive. Okay, and create one folder Hadoop setup, HADOOP just like I have already created this folder Hadoop setup, and inside this Hadoop setup just paste this Hadoop 3.2.4. Okay, so I have pasted it here. Okay, so this was our step number 4. Next is step number 5. We need to download this. Okay, download this Hadoop file. Just Control C and Control V. Okay, so here you will it will bring you here. Just click on download, and it will one zipped file will get downloaded. Okay, next. Okay, I will show you. So this one drive 2025, okay, 15/3/2025. This is the today's date. So this will get downloaded. Next is we need to extract one drive 2025 3 and 15. Okay, so I have already extracted it here. Okay, so inside this you will find Hadoop files, and then we need to copy these control A and control C. Okay, after copying these, just go to local disk drive C, Hadoop setup, Hadoop 3.2.4, and there you will find this bin folder. Okay, inside this bin folder, paste it, these files, Hadoop files. So I have already pasted it, so I do not need to paste it again. Okay, so this was our yes, uh, step number 5 done. Next is step number 6. We need to set up environmental variables. Okay, how to set up environmental variables? Just go here and search for env, and after searching you will find it here, edit the system environmental variables. Okay, click on it, and then you will find environmental variables. Okay, click here. Yes. Okay, so there are user variables for HP Windows 10 and system variables. We need to create system variables. So two variables we need to create, one Hadoop home and next Java home. Okay, so I have already created it Hadoop home. Just click here. Okay, what you can do, just click on new and then you can paste it here, Hadoop home, Control C, Hadoop home, and yes, and variable value as Hadoop this. So I have already created, I do not need to create it again, so I am cancelling it. Next is just like this, we need to create a Java home. Okay, click on new and then you can paste Java home here and you can paste variable value. I have already given this here in the file. Okay, you can find it here. Okay, you can find this file in the description of this video. Okay, next is, okay, so the variables are set up. Next is we need to set up the path. Okay, go to path. In the path, we need to set up two variables. One is Java underscore home. So percentage Java home. Just you can click here on new and then you can paste this. Okay, Java home and Hadoop home. Copy this and you can paste it here. So I have already pasted Hadoop home and Java home. Okay, so okay, then press OK, then press OK, and then press OK. So our step number 6 is done. Okay, what's next step? Step number 7, we need to edit core site this file, and it is in etc folder, and inside etc folder there is one folder Hadoop, so this is a Hadoop folder. So just copy this, Control C. Okay, next is we need to go to a local disk C, Hadoop setup, Hadoop 3.2.4, and there you can find this folder etc. Just go to there, and inside etc there will be this Hadoop. Inside the Hadoop there will be this core site. Okay, right click on here and then you can find edit with a notepad or edit with notepad plus plus, whatever you will find. Okay, I am editing it. Okay, so this will open this file. Okay, and then I am pasting it inside this configuration, and then press Ctrl S, save it and close this file. Next is, okay, I need to edit file Hadoop env. Just copy this Java home, set Java home, this path, Control C. Okay, next go to Hadoop env. So there are two Hadoop env these files. One is you will find Hadoop env.cmd and another Hadoop env.sh, but we need to edit Hadoop env.cmd. Okay, right click here, edit. Okay, done. Next is you will find it set Java home equal to Java percentage Java home. So here we need to paste it. Set Java home equal to this. Okay. The Java implementation to use required. Okay, so you will find this thing and here you need to paste it. After pasting, Control S and then close this. Okay, next is we need to edit HDFS site. Okay, copy this all. Okay, I have copied this. Control C. Next is go to HDFS site. So you will find HDFS site here. Right click and click on edit, open it, and there you will find configuration. Inside this configuration, just paste it. Control V and then Control S and save it and close it. Okay. Next is map red site. Okay, copy this. We need to edit map red site. Okay, here you will find map red site. Right click on edit, open this file and paste it inside configuration and control S. Okay, control S and close this file. Next is last one. We need to copy this, control C, and we need to edit yarn site. Okay, so you will find yarn site at end. Okay, right click on edit and open this file and control V and control S. Okay, done. Oh, so we are done with the installation. Next is we need to test this installation. Okay, control C. Okay, now open CMD and run as administrator. Okay, check if Hadoop is working. HADOP. Type Hadoop and press enter. Okay, yes, Hadoop is working. HADOP BERSION. Check the version of Hadoop. Okay, so this may take some time. Yes, Hadoop 3.2.4. Okay, next is yes, I need to format name node. So for that we have this command hdfs name node format, control C. Okay, just paste it here and press enter. Okay, formatting, yes, so name node is formatted. Okay, next step is uh, we need to start Hadoop. Okay, so for that we need to go to first sbin folder. So just copy this, control C and paste it here. Okay, so now I am in sbin folder. See Hadoop setup, Hadoop 3.2.4 and then sbin. Next is we need to start Hadoop. First we will start uh, control C, copy this dot start dash dfs dot cmd. So this will start dfs. So here we can see, yes, okay, so our name node and data node will be up. Okay, how to check if they are up? Just type jps. Yes, data node is up, name node is up, and jps. Okay, next is we need to start yarn. Okay, control C. Yes, and yes, paste it here. Okay, but do not close these windows. We just need to minimize these windows. We should not close these windows. Okay, now type jps again. Okay, so JPS data node is up, name node is up, resource manager is up, node manager is up. That means yes, my Hadoop is working. Okay, now next is we need to go check if localhost is working. So press localhost 9870, localhost 9870, and then yes, okay, yes, localhost is up. This is utilities, browse the file system. This is HDFS. Okay, check, but here, okay, we haven't created any file here. Next is localhost 9870, localhost 9864, name node, yeah, data node, yeah, this is again up, yeah, up and running. Next is localhost and okay, localhost 8088, yeah, check if cluster is up. Yeah, it's up. So all applications are working. So this was all about the installation of Hadoop on Windows. Yes, okay, so I will provide these prerequisites in the description of this video. Okay, so take care, see you in next video.